Want to automate your event booking process and send data straight to tools like Google Sheets? In this video, we'll show you how to connect Eventin with Zapier, so your event data flows exactly where you need it, automatically. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get timely updates. To get started, first navigate to the Eventin settings page and tap on the Advanced section. Then, enable the Webhook option. Here, you'll need to enter the details of the webhook. Now head over to Zapier. Simply log in and click on the Create a Zap button. Click on the trigger block and search for Webhook. Select the first option from the drop-down list and hit the Continue button. Now, provide a secret key. After that, you'll receive a webhook URL. Head back to the Eventin backend, configure the options, and paste the webhook URL in the designated field. Once everything is set, hit the Create button and save it. Now, book a ticket for any event. Go back to the Zapier dashboard and click on the Test Trigger button. You should now see the booking details fetched successfully. If you want to send this data for reporting, like into Google Sheets, you can easily do that. Just select Google Sheets from the list, and then choose the second option. Complete the sign-in process with your Google account. Once connected, map the fields according to your Google Sheets column structure. When everything is ready, hit the Publish button. Now, complete another event booking to test if everything's working. And yes, the data was fetched successfully. That's how you can connect Zapier with Eventin and fetch your event booking data effortlessly. We hope this tutorial helped you learn more about Eventin. If you'd like more tutorials like this, simply subscribe and follow our social channels. Thanks for watching.